Prefabrication has been adopted by the construction industry around the world because of its dramatic impact on productivity. This occurs because of its ability to reduce cost, sequence times, and improve overall quality. But what is prefabrication? Prefabrication is the process of assembling the components of a structure in a factory or manufacturing site under controlled conditions, then transporting these complete assemblies to the construction site where the structure is to be built. The history of prefabrication in the construction industry dates back to 1837 when Henry Manning, a London-based carpenter, constructed a house that was to be built in components, then shipped and assembled by British immigrants in Australia. An example of these pioneering prefabricated buildings is the Friends Meeting House in Adelaide, which stands almost 180 years after it was constructed. A primary method to improve productivity is to reduce costs through limiting the amount of material used to build a project. Often in on-site building, the materials are over-ordered to ensure that a quantity appropriate for the tasks is required. In a factory, the concept of materials purchase is not for a single project, but for many projects. The materials are delivered and used as they are needed with very little waste. As multiple projects are being fabricated at any given time, sharing of materials resources and concurrent supply chain management can occur. In addition, prefabrication does not require materials to be stored on site, rather they are delivered as they are needed to be installed, saving time and space on site that would otherwise be used for storage. There is also cost savings that may be incurred through economies of scale, as prefabricated companies can order large volumes of materials to be used to produce multiple projects. Although the initial labour costs of prefabrication are far higher than that of on-site construction, due to the detailed coordination and integration between architects, designers, and fabrication teams, the overall labour cost will be lower or equal as fewer skilled or unskilled labourers are needed on-site to erect the structure. Arguably, the greatest benefit to productivity of off-site fabrication is the reduction in on-site construction duration. The savings in time on prefabricated building projects occur because of the ability to simultaneously construct in the factory while work on the site is being completed. Site work and foundations can be constructed on-site at the same time as prefabrication work on the structure, enclosure, services, and interiors are being produced in a factory. In the factory, teams may also work simultaneously, allowing entire sections of the building to be constructed by more than one trade. Prefabrication also offers more predictability to the finish dates because of its ability to procure materials faster and the fact that prefab occurs in a controlled environment where weather does not affect the labour force. Prefabrication adopts automation and other detailed methods of production which increase the precision of the end product. This occurs because machines are used to operate parts of the production process, as well as labourers repeating tasks they have been adequately trained to do so, making them work more consistent. As prefabricated elements are produced in a controlled environment, it is far easier to produce a more consistent product with higher quality as there are far less variables affecting the production. Prefabricators are also required to pass regular third-party inspections, ensuring that the overall product quality is maintained across the entire production run. It is because of the dramatic impact that prefabrication has on cost, schedule, and quality that it has become a crucial way for construction companies to improve their overall productivity.